Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to dwtut.co.cc tutorials on how to build web pages. This is the fourth tutorial. This is actually the second tutorial on the third tutorial that I made of building a contact form. So we have built our contact form in the third tutorial, last tutorial, which was third tutorial, and then this is a tutorial on building contact form to validating it. So by validating it, I mean by when somebody enters their name, email, and comments, we want to make sure that it is valid. So like when they enter the name, they're not accidentally entering their email, and when they're entering their email, they're not entering some fake email. Okay? Now, to do this, what you want to do is click the Submit Form button, hit the little plus button in Behaviors, which is under Tag, your tag inspectors, and hit Validate Form. Now this little box will pop up. So since our text field for the name is called name, we want to have it required anything, because names can pretty much range from anywhere. Go to your email. This is required, and it must be an email address. Okay? And comments, they are not required because, well, they're just not required. Okay? So hit OK. And that is pretty much validated. That's all you need to do. Now if you have a longer form, it's like really long, you might want to put in more validations, but now they don't know that this is required. So what we want to do is put little asterisks, asterisks, and asterisks. Okay? Come down out of the form and type in an asterisk are required. Okay? Simple thing telling them that it is required. Okay? So I'm going to hit F12, save changes, yes. Let's try this out. Okay, so here it is. It's loaded up. Safari. You can use any kind of web browser you like. So here it is, and here's asterisks. Asterisks are required. Sorry, typo there. Q instead of P. So in the name, I'm just going to type in Kaya. Email address. Sorry. Email address. I'm just going to type in some random stuff. Comments. Blah blah blah. Yes, submit form. And this little box will pop up. Says JavaScript. The following errors occurred. Email must contain an email address. Okay. Now, anyone who is using this might, email, blah blah blah, I got it wrong. But someone maybe who doesn't know what email is, come down here, rename this email area, okay? Then type this, name underscore area, comments underscore area, area. Then let me fix this typo here. Required. Hit F12 again. Yes. Save changes. Okay, so it pops up. Don't need that anymore. Blah. Actually, reset form. I'm gonna reload this, make sure it's reloaded. Reload, yes. Okay, name, type in a name. Type in some random email, type in some of that, yes, submit. And for some reason, it is, I know what's wrong. Since we renamed this, we also have to go into our validation. So click this, edit behavior. Yes, now it's going to give me all these errors. Yes, I know I changed it, purposely changed it. Now, the reason it let me do that is because I changed the names to these text areas. So the validator, I'm just going to call it validator, but the validation script doesn't know what was what. So as you can see there, when I open this up, it gave me a whole ton of errors. So what we're going to do is text, name, area, and form is required now. And it can be anything required, email address. Now when I open this, it just automatically deleted those other forms I put in. Those other form names I put in because they, of course, aren't there. So just hit OK when you're done with that. Preview that again. Yes. Open that up. Email something, submit form. Okay, email area must contain an email address. Okay, so it's giving me an error. Let's see. Let's see if I just submit form. The following errors occurred. Name area is required and email area is acquired. Now, if you don't want it to bring up this stupid box here, I mean, it just doesn't look websitey. It looks like some pop-up. Okay, if you don't want to do that, sometimes some scripts that you get will automatically know that they aren't putting in a thing, so they'll like redirect them back and then put some text up here saying that email or name is not valid or whatever. But that's if you get the script. The script we are using, I can't remember if it does validate it, so I'm not sure. That's why I put the validation on there. So yes, that is how you validate a form with Dreamweaver instead of using some third-party script. Thank you for watching this. Check out my website dwtut.co.cc for more tutorials. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link this up or hook it up to an email script that will send you an email. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and